Hi, my name is Doris Martel and I've been working with pro athletes for over a decade.
Wow!
If you have hip pain, I want to show you in this video how you can release it on your own. My hands are golden, but my knowledge is even more precious. Come on.
Did you know that muscle pain affects over 80% of adults? And hip pain is one of the most common complaints. First, let me show you some of the tools that you can use. A tennis ball, a foam roller, and this new tool I designed that I am obsessed with lately. I use it every day. And for you spiritual people, it comes with crystals inside that have been activated to facilitate the work that you're doing. How about that? All right, now, sit down, bend your knees, and look for the meaty part that is in the crest of your hip. We're going to work on several muscles in there. Take the tennis ball or any tool you choose and simply lay down on it. Play with the angles. Stop by treating an area that's less painful and then gradually change to the most painful one. What you're going to find out is that when you start working with the most painful area and you work yourself up to where you first tasted it, it's not going to be as painful because everything is connected. And the exact area where you feel the pain is not usually where it comes from. It usually comes from above or below. It is possibly just a reaction of the pull or the surrounding tightness. I would compare it to a volcano. You know the lava coming out of it? It's a reaction from something that was boiling and pressuring way deeper underneath. Try to relax. Do it when you watch TV or when you're reading a book or at the end of a workout. Consciously visualize the muscle that you're treating and let the ball melt inside. Breathe. If you have a mantra, repeat it. It's going to deepen the treatment if your pain is somatic or if it's caused by emotions or stress. Now, sit down. You're going to use your own tool, your forearm, to massage the surrounding area. You can do it through your clothes or use a little bit of cream or oil. I asked Dr. Robin to massage the area in a circle manner. This will allow for more blood flow. And then try also up and down motions. Twist your leg in and out to access more areas. We're treating a lot of different muscles. The glutes, the vastus lateralis, which is one of your quadriceps muscle, the piriformis, the obturator internis, the gemelli muscles, the TFL, the tensor fascia latae. And that's just to name some of them. Another exercise that I gave her is a hip stretch. Just lay down on your belly, grab your foot, your ankle or your shin, depending on your level of flexibility, and then with your hands, slowly pull your heel towards your buttock. If you need more stretch, you can elevate your leg using a bolster, a foam roller, or a pillow. There you have it. Those are the 3 easy self-release exercises I gave Dr. Robin. Remember that everybody is different. The exercise that I gave her might not be the one for you. I will regularly release more and more exercise as I interview new guests. Always refer to your healthcare provider, your doctor, your PT to make sure that those exercises are the good one for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments and check out my other videos for more pain relief and wellness tips. Also, head to my website. I'm offering a free intro class on how to treat your pain. And share with your friend. Everybody has pain and I'm here to help. I'm a firm believer that healing our pain isn't just about healing ourselves. It's about creating a ripple effect of positive energy that uplifts humanity as a whole.